Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to write JUnit test case for static methods by using Mockito. We have two approaches are there without using mockStatic method, and second approach is by using mockStatic method. In this video, I will not use mockStatic method. In this video, technology is used Mockito, Data JP, and this is Spring Boot application. It is not a scratch video. It is continuation video of JUnit playlist. This link I will provide in description. So let's get started. Go to service class. So inside service class, create one method, public. So I want to find the count of employees. So I am taking string student count. This student count is like a long, right? Long. Later, if needed, we will change student repo. Student repo dot control space count. Count will return long. So long count equal to. So here return count. But we need this count in string format. Suppose if 4 employees are found, then we want 4. Like we want like this word format, letters format. So for that, I will use one util class to convert count to number. So here, this is the student app. Create one util package. So we are aware of like util package. Why we need util package. Util package inside we are placing the static methods. Mostly those methods will be reusable and used. Those methods used across the application. For example, so suppose I am used util method in com.in.runner and I am used util method in com.in.service. So instead of writing two places, so we can place in util package, then wherever we want, we can reuse. If we are writing in runner class and service class, it is like a duplicate. So to eliminate duplicates, and for that we are using those kind of common code across the application we are placing in util package. So create one util package, new, here class com.in.utils. So you can create student app, right? This is student utils. So I am student details, finish. So in this student utils, we will create one method to convert number to word at component. So take one method, public, most of the util class methods are static. Public static, find count. So yeah, long count. After that, so we need words, right? Like 1, 2, 3 kind of. For that, here private static string words. Here we need to mention word names. So 1, ONE1, TW2, THRE3, 4, maximize this. 6, I will take 7. So yeah, after that, if count less than 7, then so we are telling control Z, So what's array is there, right? We need to pass here count. So it will return the string result. You can take one variable string result equal to null. Then add here string result. See, we got the other. It is expecting integer. So changed integer string is there, right? Result. So after that return result. This method return type string. Select R, Control Shift F to format. So this is development was done. See, based on the count, suppose if count is 5, then it will print the 5 because of index. Based on index, it will print this. If count is 6, it will print. If 7, it will print. If more than 7, this condition will not be executed. Then result we will get null. If you wanted default result none, you can mention none. Then it will print the none. Select all, Control Shift F4. So this is ready. So we need to change in student service. Here, this is the method. So student utils dot find count. It is expecting int, right? So it is expecting integer, right? Change integer. We need to typecast. See, it is expecting typecast. So int. It is this error is resolved, right? This method will return the string. So string, you can also mention here result equal to copy here. So this is string, right? So change to method type to string. Select all, Control Shift F. Here we are finding the student count. If records 5 records are there, then count is 5. That count we are passing parameter to find count. In find count, we are using if condition. If count is less than 7, then here words count. We are passing this count to this array, words array, string array. Based on index, it will pick it up one number, one word. This is the logic. So service logic we are successfully developed, right? Go to test class. Here, if we want to test, then we can test before going to test case. We can test first it is working or not. So student count, right? Student count, it will return the string controllers. Let's check in database how many rows are there, how many objects are there. Squad tiger set pages 10000 set lines 10000. Now select star from student. Here 1 2 3 4 4 records are there. So if we run, we will get 4. Let's check we are getting 4 or not. Accordingly, if anything wrong, then we can change our logic. 4 records are there, then we will get 4. We are getting or not, let's verify. So Spring Boot application, so we will get the 5, but records are there. 4 records are there in database, so did the wrong, right? So go to student detail, here add empty. So we are adding one empty. Here student service, this count will starts with 1. If one row is available, then starts with 1. So go to here details. If 0 are there, 0 rows are there, we are saying none, print the none. So student application, right click, run as Java application. Now we will get 4. So after that we can write Junit test case for this. Let's wait, we are getting or not. Here we are getting 4. So we are expected same. So this service logic working as expected. I will explain again this service logic. So we are finding the count, student count. That means if database 4 records are there, this count is 4. So this count I am converting long to integer. I am storing into count. This count I am passing parameter to find count. Inside find count, based on the count, it is printing the word in letters. So word in letters, returning string. Going to here, this find count, it is returning string, right? That string returning student count method. So this is the logic we have developed in student utils. We are using static method. So when we are utils means reusable logic. Most of util classes are static methods. Remember this point. Go to service class, add one test case. So here, public void test student count semicolon. Then here setting, you can copy here, setting expectations, control V. After that, copy this one, control C. Mockito dot when we need to Mockito dot count. Count they have no parameters, nothing. So then return, can mention like this dot get all student. This is the list, right? Dot stream dot count. We will get the count of students here in list students. 2 records are there. So count is 2. Setting expectations are done. Actual method call. Next actual method call. So actual method call. Here student service dot student count. It will return the string actual, right? Then assistance dot offset not null. Here pass actual, control S. After that, verify mock methods calling or not, control C. Here mockito dot verify student repo, method name, count. So no parameters. If it is working as expected, then we can add another asset condition. This is one asset condition, right? So validating results. Here validating results. Annotate with add test annotation. Add test. Control S. Right click, run as JUnit. Wait some time. Spring Boot application will start and these test cases will be run. Once this is done, we can add another asset condition. We can use asset equals. So all test cases are run. So here, without using where mock static method, we can able to access the static method. So this will work on some scenarios. Some scenarios we need to use mock static method as well. In next video, I will use auto mock static method by using mock static. This is working, right? After that, add another asset condition. So string expected equal to 2. 2 records are there, right? Student objects. So SSN dot asset equals here expected. This is the actual. This is the actual. Control S. Right click, run as JUnit. Where sometimes this Spring Boot application will be started and this test case will be run. So these two conditions are matching, then it is passed. If anything went wrong, it will be failed. See, we will get tick mark. So all test cases are passed. Let's generate the Java code coverage report. Let's see how many lines of code is covered, which lines are not covered. Maven install. By using Maven install, it will run the test Maven goal. So after that, Java code report will be generated. Once generated, we will open in Chrome browser. Let's wait some time. This process will be completed. So now test cases are running. So student service test class is running. Inside this class, near to 8 or 9 test cases are there. So wait some time. These test cases will be running completed. So next video, I will use mockStatic method to write the Junit test cases for Mockito. 9 test cases are passed. So here target, refresh it, right click. Here right click, refresh, target, site, Java code abbreviation in Java code coverage. Right click, open with, here open with your browser. It will opening here. Control C, copy. Here open, Control V, enter. Let's see service class. Let's scroll down. See here, student count. So student code count 100% is covered. Let's go to, this is student app, right? Let's go to now utils. Some condition is not covered. Let's check what is not covered. So see here, 1 or 2 branches missed. So it is covered. Then we will pass student. Here we are passed. We will write test student count. You can change to positive. You can add another test case to none. Here count none. That means here you can give 0 as a count, 0L. So let's run. Then we are expecting none. So right click, run as Junit. Let's verify this test case is working as expected or not. If any errors are we are getting, then we will change the code. So this is the post approach. Second approach, I will make a video in tomorrow. So wait some time. This all test cases are passed. See, test student count none. So run the Maven install goal to generate the report, and let's verify after that. See, run as Maven install. Wait some time. This will be completed. Meanwhile, I will pass in the video. Here, build a success. So 10 test cases are running. All are passed. Right click, refresh. After that, go here, refresh. See here. So still not covered. 1 or 2 branches missing. So you can add another test case for more, like none added, positive added, more than expected. So we have condition to 7, right? I will pass now. Count. You can mention like 8. I am passing count as a 8. This is more than we are expected. This time also we will get none as a response. So right click, run as JUnit. Let's see this test case will be executing or not. This time this if condition will be false. So and that branch will be covered. Test cases are run. So run the Maven install. Right click, run as Maven install. Meanwhile, I am passing the video. So it is Spring Boot application is starting. Wait some time. Test cases will be run. Here 11 test cases are passed. Build success. So right click, refresh. Here refresh. Here now 100% is covered. So go to student. Here service util runner entity. These are 100% is covered. So here we have another package also exception, but it is not reflecting. So let's do one thing. Run as Marvin clean. So I am deleting this target. This target is gone. Nothing is there. Again I am Marvin install. If any package is not showing, then do like this. Wait some time. This Spring Boot application will be started successfully. Now test cases are running. Total 11 test cases are there. So next video I will use mockStatic method to write unit test case for static methods. So in this video we are not using mockStatic method. Without that we can able to write unit test cases for static methods. Refresh, target generated, site Jacoco, open with web browser, Control C, enter here, see com.in service util runner entity. So here only showing these packages. But exception package is not showing. Okay, let's ignore. This code I will push to the one Git repository. So our code coverage is 97%. In this video, we are successfully achieved Odoo red chain test case for static methods by using Mockito. Approach one we are using without using mockStatic method. I will explain one more time. Service logic. Here we are finding the student count. How many student records are there? That count I am converting into count. It will return the long I am converting into integer. This integer value I am passing to find count. This find count converting count to word format. This word returning. So find count is a static method. So we are calling with method name. Here we are calling with class name dot method name. It will return the string. That string we are returning here. So let's create one repository. I will create one public repository and I will push the code. So let's check post is there any student related. No repositories are there, right? So new repository, mention like student app, description I am giving, public app, create repository. So repository successfully created. Then go to the IDE, minimal, right click, properties, go to this location where this project is available. Yeah, this project is available. So after that, CMD git init to create local repository. Local repository is created. After that, we need to use here we are git init. We are created local repository, right? After that, we need to local repository link with remote repository. For that, git remote add origin repository URL. This is done, right? After that, check the status, git status. So here these are the files, untracked files. So we are under the student app. These are the untracked files under student app. So git branch, checking which branch we are in. Here untracked branch, on branch, main branch. So I will create new branch here. Git checkout -b develop branch I'm creating. This is branch created and it is switched to now use git branch. It will show pointing to, you can take git status. It will show here on branch develop wherein. So git add dot means all files added. Check git status now. So these files are added. So git commit -m. So most of the companies git commit -m after that Jira ticket number. So I'm giving today date. Suppose for example, I'm giving today date as a ticket number 27/07/2024 : I'm mentioning initial commit. So commit is done after the git status. So nothing to commit. It is working pretty clean. If you can check git branch, which branch we are in. We are in develop branch. So you can use git push. First time you need to use git push -u origin branch name. Origin branch name is develop, right? Enter. So wait some time. Our code will be sync with GitHub repository. This is done. Let's check. So refresh it. Here our code. Let's verify our code is there. Our classes are there. So I am going to service test cases now. See, our test cases are there here. So thank you for watching. In next video, I will make a video for static methods mocking by using mockStatic. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.